out in the woodland. What a joy, what a gift. Out in the countryside, where my spirit lifts, I begin to relax. It doesn't take me long. It's all so precious, from the bird's morning song to the sight of a badger or the bumblebee's buzz. It's true that we need nature, and nature needs us. But it's less than I remember from my childhood running free, where I saw so many creatures as I scrambled up the trees. So how can we restore, rewild and reconnect, help prevent decline, stop the climate change effect, create a place so good where we can thrive together before many more species become lost forever? Can we really make a difference? Well, yes we can. We can plant for pollination, have a new game plan. We can be a force for nature or a climate change hero. Plant a tree, waste less stuff, go virgin plastic zero. Use sustainable things, walk more, eat less meat, live our lives to the rhythm of nature's heartbeat. Then the creatures and the characters we love to see, those that calm our heartbeat and set our wild thoughts free, can flourish in a landscape restored and renewed, where rarity recovers and a game is viewed, where eagles fill the skies with a majestic flight, and we all get to see the graceful red kite. So will you join me now on this journey of joy, where we get to make a difference, be the real McCoy, where we recreate wild places, where we work and play, and live alongside nature in a sustainable way, reconnecting habitats, protecting the wilds, a future where nature and man are reconciled.